Poland has provided over €3.5 billion in military aid to Ukraine. As of 27 February 2026, Poland has delivered 48 military aid packages to Ukraine worth more than €3.5 billion, according to Foreign Minister Radoslaw Sikorski speaking in the Sejm. In addition, Poland contributed $100 million to the U.S.-led Prioritized Ukraine Requirements List, PURL, for American weapons, and $100 million to the Czech-led Ammunition Initiative. Broader military support figures. Official Polish data shows total military-related assistance is even higher, over €4.2 billion, 18 billion Polish zloty in overall military support as of early 2026. Equipment transfers valued at 7.23 billion Polish zloty 2022, 5.63 billion Polish zloty 2023-2024, and separate arms exports totaling €2.2 billion 2022 to 2023. What Poland has delivered. Key military equipment includes 318 tanks, mainly T-72 variants and a company of Leopard 2A4s, 586 armored vehicles, 137 artillery systems, including Krab self-propelled howitzers, RAK mortar systems, 10 MiG-29 fighter jets, 10 Mi-24 helicopters, Pioran MAN-PADS air defense systems, Fly-Eye reconnaissance drones, and Warm-Mate loitering munitions. Over 29,000 Starlink terminals. Poland has also trained tens of thousands of Ukrainian soldiers through EUAM Ukraine, NATO Security Assistance and Training for Ukraine, and Joint Analysis, Training and Education Center, JATEC. Warsaw is also considering transferring additional MiG-29 aircraft. Poland's standout role. Poland ranks among the top supporters of Ukraine per capita and as a share of GDP, with total aid estimated at around 4.91% of GDP. It has served as a critical logistics hub via Rzeszów-Jasionka airport and was one of the first countries to supply heavy weapons in 2022. Independent assessments, such as the Kiel Institute for the World Economy's Ukraine Support Tracker through December 2025, confirmed that Europe has significantly increased support, with Poland among the early and leading military contributors. In short, the 3.5+ billion figure is accurate and likely conservative. Poland's full military support exceeds €4.2 billion, and aid deliveries remain ongoing as Warsaw views support for Ukraine as a strategic investment in its own security.